Can you extract links in just one click? Transform your data from this to this. How would you handle it? Complex formulas, messy VBA code, or spending ages prompting ChatGPT? There's a faster way, and it only takes one click. Let's dive in. Open your workbook and head over to the Excel Click tab. Don't see it yet? Download it for free at www.excelclick.com. To open Extract Links, go to the Excel Click tab. Find the Fix and Clean group, then click Extract Links. The panel walks you through 3 steps. 1. Select Data. Click Effaced and highlight the cells containing text with embedded URLs. 2. Extract Mode. Choose what to pull out. Extract Root Domain. Returns only the domain name. For example, example.com. Useful for grouping and analysis. Extract Full URL. Returns the complete web address including path and parameters. For example, https://example.com/page. 3. Destination. Choose where to output the extracted links. Write results in a new column to the right. Preserves your original text. Overwrite selected cells. Replaces content with extracted links. Write results to a new sheet. Sends output to a fresh tab. Live preview shows the first 5 results. Click Extract Links to run, or cancel to exit. A content marketer building a link audit from pages with embedded URLs. A content marketer had a spreadsheet of 500 blog post notes, each cell containing descriptions with source URLs mixed in. She needed a clean list of all links referenced across the content, but extracting them one by one would have taken most of her day. Extract Links with Extract Full URL selected pulled every URL from the notes into a new column instantly. She had a complete link list ready for her SEO audit in under a minute. A freelance analyst grouping traffic sources by domain. A freelance data analyst received a raw export of referral traffic where each row had a full URL in the source field. His client needed a pivot table grouped by domain, but you can't group by full URLs. Converting 2,000 URLs to root domains manually was not an option. Using Extract Links with Extract Root Domain, he output a clean domain column to the right in seconds. The pivot table was built and delivered the same morning. A small business owner organizing supplier links from product notes. A small business owner kept product sourcing notes in Excel. Each cell contained a mix of supplier name, product details, and a website link. She needed all the supplier URLs in one organized column before sending the file to her procurement partner. Extract Links pulled every URL from her notes cells in one click. Choosing Write Results to a new sheet kept her original notes untouched and gave the partner a clean separate link list. A marketing agency auditing client backlink data from exported reports. A marketing agency exported backlink data from an SEO tool. The referring page column contained full URLs with long paths and query strings, but the client report only needed the referring domains. Manually trimming thousands of URLs was out of the question. Running Extract Links with Extract Root Domain processed the entire column instantly. The cleaned domain list went to a new column and was ready for the client report within minutes. A researcher extracting source links from a literature notes spreadsheet. A researcher maintained a spreadsheet of notes and references where each row contained a paragraph of text with a source URL embedded inside. She needed all links extracted and organized before submitting a report, but the URLs were buried at different positions in each cell. Extract Links found and extracted every URL regardless of its position in the text. Using write results to a new sheet gave her a clean reference list without altering the original notes.